Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have my subscribers, and now is Angel.
But I'm about to get your little ice cream. It is no boys trampoline. It is. I don't. No boy follow new bigger. It is. Yo, stinky feet. Look at that shit. You never put foot powder.
How about my video?
Look at that. You have no subscribers.
Yeah, boy, I have more subscribers. Look at this, boy.
You blind? Oh my gosh, that one visa it is.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Shut your little book teeth. It is.
I don't even care about that, boy. Look at.
You're like Real Madrid or Barcelona?
Barcelona.
Why you put Real Madrid there? Look at that.
But this is always old.
My favorite players.
See my subscribers?
Just shut up. My favorite football players is Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, and Messi. That's all.
Wait. What the heck is wrong? What the heck is wrong with them?
What the heck is wrong?
I don't have my subscribers.
Told you have no subscribers. Stop playing with me.
No, you stop playing with me, boy. And now I am the one that was decided.
What kind of? Why you say I'm the one that decided to learn?
Hold on,
stop. It's my channel.
No.
It's my channel.
Wait, let me do something.
Okay.
Yo, gang.
Yeah, this is my brother right here.
This is my cousin right here, boy. Gang, get killed with the Draco. And this is my new cousin, boy. Oh my god, I'm your uncle, not yours. Bro, what's uncle means? Deal. Bro. You're dumb, bro. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I have Xanax right here. I'm just kidding.
No whiskey bottle here.
They protect me and shit. Yeah.
You crazy hell.
Yeah, Steven eat too much cookie. That's why you're gonna get diabetes.
Boy,
what your chubby face head is.
I'm gonna get all my subscribers.
I'm gonna get as much subscribers.
If you don't make it to the boo-boo. No, if you don't make it to the whiskey bottle here. I have to make it to the subscribers, boy.
What kind of tablet is that? Huh?
I'm doing the camera on YouTube, boy. Wait. Hey, stop! Why you always lying? You're freaking.
I'm about to get your little mole headers. Boy, you always cry when I smack the shit out of you.
If you don't make it
like you always be like, mommy. You hit me first, dumbass. Look at your hairline. Look at that.
What does that mean, boy?
Look at your hairline.
And what time is it?
It is
5 for big boy head.
Yeah, that's your head right there.
Oh shit!
Look at this belly right here. Look at this belly. Size of his head.
How about let me see my subscribers, boy?
Subscribers.
Shut up.
You shut up, Millie. It is. I'm just kidding. I'm trying to discriminate Emilio.
Angel.
What?
Press the red button.
Press the red button
to see your subscribers. See, you see your subscribers.
Ew! Lick your feet. He's playing Fallout. He has Fallout New Vegas and then my brother just broke his tablet. Oh my gosh. He got it for Christmas. Call of Duty World at War.
Stop mentioning my game.
I gotta fix it. Okay.
What is this game?
Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Call of Duty 2, I don't know. GTA 5. GTA V. GTA San Andreas. Fallout New Vegas. Fallout 3. Minecraft. Boot man. One more. Stop putting bad buddy. What time is it? Sorry. My boys are gonna get so mad. You're annoying like Bad Bunny with your straight teeth.
One time Swan.
You always say there's 2 million.
What's 2? What's 1 million plus?
Stop playing that song. Smack shit out of you.
How about this one of Bad Bunny? No. Is that a Swuna?
That's a Swuna? Yeah. No, it's not.
How about this one?
That's anything. I'm just kidding.
See, it's just
That's Young Bus. Yeah, 7 million subscribers.
What the heck? No! Look it!
That's 100 shit.
Yeah, 60, 0, 22, 54,
How can you don't be that number? Stop! Smack the shit out of me.
I'm impressed with the red bunny.
Why you say bunny? Look at that city right there.
Not for my subscribers, boy.
How many subscribers do you have?
What the? Look at the subscribers.
What the?
Hey, look at this one, man. Hey, look at this.
Why you putting that song? Keep putting that song. I'm gonna smack the shit out of you.
I'm gonna put this for subscribers.
You say for subscribers. Look at that. Look at that chubby thing right there.
This one. Boy, you look like Young boy.
Boy, gun runner who it is. Yeah, that's you right there, Steven. That's you right there. With that yellow head right there.
What is this game, boy?
What is this game, boy? What is